We're the Gentrys, and we're a normal family with abnormal dreams and goals. And we're traveling the country awakening dreamers everywhere because we believe that the world needs your dreams. So join us as we not only showcase our adventure, but we also encourage you in your own. It's time to unapologetically chase your dreams and to live bold as lions. Together, let's dream. We dare you. What are we doing today? You're gonna do what? Why are we gonna work out? Why do we work out, Nixie? To make us strong. Show me your muscles. Let me see them. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. There she is. Daddy means business. What do you think, Z? Are you ready to work out? Are you ready to work out?
All right, so welcome to another Friday boot camp here at the Dream Factory.
And today we are talking all about family. What? Just gotta go potty.
All right, hold that thought. We'll be right back. All right, so we are back from our short potty break.
So today we really wanted to be a voice of encouragement because as our country is shutting down again, here we are as parents finding ourselves going, what do we do? Right? Like we weren't planning on this, we weren't expecting this, and what do we do now that our kids are back from school and they're at home all day and they're in full-time remote learning? None of us planned on this.
No, and we did not plan on this.
And we did not
specifically today
either.
to go work out in the park with the kids. But we had to adapt and change. Our nanny's car broke down, and so we brought our kids to the park to get a workout in. Now they get to play at the park, so it's a win-win for all of us.
The unfortunate nature of COVID is creating a lot of even domestic violence. They're seeing numbers go up greater than before. And so we really want to be a voice of encouragement that says we know that it is easy in these times to get frustrated, to get resentful, and to feel like your kids are getting in the way of your mission, like they're getting in the way of your job or your career or in the way of just making life come together. And we want to remind you that our kids, your kids, are part of your mission. They are part of your family. They are a part of this whole piece and puzzle that we call life. And instead of looking at them each day feeling like it's getting in the way of getting things done, we wanted to remind you that we're family, which means we're a unit and we do this together.
Okay, so you just made a comment as far as domestic abuse. That's not only on the rise, it's also addiction. Mm-hmm. So it could be addiction to alcohol, drugs, it could be addiction to shopping or buying things because you're just trying to fulfill that need or desire and or having tried to control something. Because right now it's really hard to control a whole lot of anything because it changes on a daily and weekly basis.
Totally. And so what we want to encourage you, if you're shifting into control, right? Because Travis and I talk about this all the time. I'm shifting and this doesn't end well. Let's be honest.
It doesn't feel good.
It doesn't feel good, but I know that I'm doing it. And so instead of scrambling to control, instead of scrambling to try to make school look like the way that it's always looked, or your work look like the way that it's always looked, or to try to make things look the way that they've always looked, what we're encouraging you to do is to open your hands and to instead lean in and look for connection. If you can build connection today with your family, with your spouse, with yourself, with God, it will open up unlimited possibilities. It's just a mindset shift, but if you can, instead of going, I don't want to control this, I want to connect. Because that's what we're looking for, right? Yeah. We're looking for connection. So today what we want to encourage you is, how can you connect? How can you connect with your kids? How can you connect with your spouse? How can you connect in your career? How can you connect and not do what you've always done, but adapt to what's in front of us, because there you will find your answer.
And then also be aware of what you're leaning into and going towards. Mm-hmm. Are you starting to drink a little bit more? Mm-hmm. Are you taking maybe some prescriptions that you had on the shelf that you're bringing back out just to numb the pain or numb the uneasiness of like what is going on around us?
Totally.
Just be aware. Are you spending more than what you actually have? be aware of what you're doing on a daily basis. Is it bringing life? Is it bringing joy to you and to your family? Or is it bringing destruction? Is it bringing disconnect?
Yep.
What I would encourage and challenge you, whether it's our community or someone else's community, get involved. Get people around you that can help you to see maybe what you're not seeing. And people that you can share, hey, like, I'm super frustrated, I'm sad, I'm disappointed, whatever those emotions are. Don't hold back, don't bottle them up.
Totally.
Go and share and get connected with some kind of community and other people, because we're all going through this. This is one of the weirdest times that we've ever seen. And now more than ever, it's important to be connected with people and not just through video or a phone call. You have to have some live interaction. Stay 6 feet apart, wear a mask, go on a walk, but you have to have community around you.